Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 7th lesson of exercise 2.
You are new to my channel or you have not subscribed the channel, please you have to subscribe the channel and then press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Moving to the class, and the question 6 part 5 says that we have to show that half z plus z bar is real part of z, and the next says that we have to show that 1 or 2 iota z minus z bar is the imaginary part of z. Very important question, and this can come in your paper 1 objective paper as well, that you have to keep this result in the mind, that half z plus z bar is what the real part of z, and 1 or 2 iota into z minus z bar is the imaginary part of z, and it can come in your paper 2 as well, long questions as well. So, do not miss any part of the lesson and do not go anywhere, because if you are missing any part of the lesson, you may not be able to understand the question. First part says half z plus z bar is the real part of z. Let me see what is z. Z is 2 plus 3 iota, and real part of z, real part of z, real z equals to 2. So, what we have to do? We have to observe, we have to bring the answer of half z plus z bar as 2, then our statement will be true. Now, what we are going to do, that in order to get half z plus z bar, let me first find answer of z bar, because z is 2 plus 3 iota. So, what will be z bar? What are we going to do? 2 plus 3 iota and the conjugate of this, and 2 minus 3 iota, because we know that where does the bar affects, this conjugate sign changes the sign of your imaginary part. And now, I have to take actual question, half z plus z bar. Let us see what comes. Half 2 plus 3 iota plus 2 minus 3 iota. Now, look, that 3 iota and 3 iota same terms with opposite signs. So, I am left with what? 1 over 2 into 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is what? Half into 4, 2 ones are and 2 twos are, which is equal to 2. So, what we are getting? So, half z plus z bar equals to 2, which is the real part of z, real part of z. So, from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, let it be 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, half z plus z bar equals to real part of z, and it is true. Moving to the next part, that is 1 or 2 iota z minus z bar is the imaginary part of z, as we have z equals to 2 plus 3 iota, and now our focus has to be on the imaginary part of z. Imaginary z will be equal to the coefficient of iota, which is 3, and let it be a, b, c, d or 1. Yes, in the previous part we used the number 1 and 2. So, let it be a. Okay. Now, z bar, let us treat it in a way that we are doing it separately, and this question has come in the exam. So, how you are going to do that? That z bar equals to 2 plus 3 iota whole bar, and this will become 2 minus 3 iota. This is the answer of z bar, and again I have to take 1 or 2 iota z minus z bar, and half iota I have to replace what? The values of z and z bar, 2 minus 3 iota and now I have to apply distributive property carefully. I have to apply the sign 1 over 2 iota, 2 plus 3 iota, minus 2, and minus multiplied by minus will become plus 3 iota. Now, this 2 goes with this 2, 1 over 2 iota and 3 iota plus 3 iota, which is equal to 1 over 2 iota multiplied by 6 iota. Iota goes with iota, and I am left with 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. So, this is the answer of what 1 over 2 iota into z minus z bar equals to 3. Let it be B. Okay. Let me underline this answer as well with some other color, and this one. So, do observe that imaginary part of z was 3 and half iota, and z minus z bar comes 3 as well. So, from A and B, what can we conclude? That 1 by 2 iota z minus z bar equals to imaginary part of z. I hope now these all questions are really easy for all of my students. Please watch and understand the lesson carefully before your exams. Thank you very much.